Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change shipping address on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and click on settings and select locations. I'm going to changing my these shipping locations, so I'm going to clicking on it, and now I can easily edit the location name and scroll down, and from here select your country, enter your address here, apartment, city, and you can change or edit the phone number, and then click on save. So this was how we can change shipping address on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.